Yeah. Wow.
Alright, we're gonna go upside down.
Okay.
Alright, seatbelt works.
Yeah. Good.
We're gonna pull the nose up,
Yeah.
relax, and push to the left.
Okay.
Bring the nose up, and roll it. All the way around. There you go, 3, 2, 1, go get him.
Oh.
There you go, good.
Wow.
Good, pull back. Good, tense your body and pull. Alright, start to pull, go straight back. Good, pull, pull.
Oh man, this guy's good.
One guy. Alright, go right, right, right. Excellent. Now they're out there in front of you. Out to the left.
Nice vertical move. Holy crap. I can't take him.
Alright, go right, go right, go right. Good, turn left, turn left, turn left, turn left.
Oh crap, I might be in trouble.
Alright, good, shoot him. Good kill, good kill.
Yeah.
Alright, I got the controls.
Yeah, you got it.
Alright. Good, go get him. You got it. Alright, now let the nose down and keep turning. Right, right. Okay, so roll out and pull straight back. Good, keep going. Or high. Alright, go shoot him, go shoot him. Oh yeah.
Ah, holy shit, this guy's good. Thank you.
3, 2, 1, turn and pull. Alright, they went the other way. Go turn, turn, turn. Good, pull. Alright, brake left, and pull, 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 pull. Oh, they got us. Ace one's been hit. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and pull. Good, keep pulling.
Right, right.
Good, pull. Alright, excellent. Keep going for him. Good, pull, 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 pull. There you go, keep pulling.
Full terminate.
Alright, terminate. Good fight.
Alright.
So this one, we're going to go straight up.
Yeah.
Look out to your left wing.
Yeah.
So look at the left wing. There we go. That's where we want to stop.
Yeah.
And then we use left foot. And then we take our time. We pull right back to the horizon. Okay. Pull straight up. Look at your left wing. Good. Keep going. Good. Stop right there.
Information officers, turn 35 is good news.
Copy, Oscar. Have a good flip. Good. Now pull. We're going straight up again. Look out to your left wing. We stop straight up. We can roll. And then we fall backwards. Good, keep going, look at the wing. And stop right there. Little forward stick, forward, 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 push forward. Good, just wait. Now hold on. Good. And pull. Good. Okay, looking straight out. Coming up.
Yeah.
And here we go, the tumble. Perfect. All right, we're going straight up again.
Yeah.
And this is my favorite maneuver,
Yeah.
the inverted spin.
Oh, wow.